everybody, it's Nerdy Eli here. We're back with another totally action-packed video. Her and I, Babe and I, are going to open one of each. And, let's get nerdy, shall we? Oh, I don't know which one I want to open first, though. You know what? We'll do something that I typically open first. I'm seriously hoping that it's not... I think this is the one you said was a fucking octopus. Did I drop it? Oh, this is tubular.
He's got a sock.
I think that's tubular. Nope, tuber.
This tentacle, this white one, looks like a sock.
Yeah.
Like a tube sock. Oh, they all do. He's wearing tube socks. That's why he's tubular.
Or tuber, sorry. I added
Tuber.
extra letters.
Whatever. Same difference. Very cute.
Which one's your favorite pattern?
This one.
Yeah, that one's pretty cute. I like this one.
Yeah, I like that one too.
Woo! Oh, he or she is so cute. It's Babe's turn. Wow. Are you she-hulking out here? Wait. Oh, you got Melon!
That one's cute.
Oh, I think Melon's my favorite of the two.
Yeah.
What about you guys? Oh, Melon's my favorite so far.
I love the watermelon one.
Oh, Melon, you're so cute. I just want to eat it.
I like the watermelon.
Yep. I'm waiting.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm really hoping for this guy. Or girl.
It's sort of showing, but hold on. Focus. No, it's not going to focus.
Rude.
Also, we have no mics, in case you can't tell. That's Eli's doing.
I charged one mic, but forgot about... It's not what I wanted, but it is still very cute.
Shut up. That is cute.
What's this one's name? Sprinkle Panda. Sprinkle Panda is as sweet as strawberry ice cream. I forgot a word. Is as sweet as the strawberry ice cream melting down her face. She doesn't have a clue how it got there, but couldn't be happier basking in her delicious accessory.
I mean, speaking as a fatty, I can relate.
Sam, though. Oh, she's cute. Spink.
You can hit record at any time.
Well, I hit record before you even said I could hit record.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Oh, you're cute.
You're pretty cute. Yes, you are. Oh, our first dupe.
Oh, look at that.
Our first dupe.
What the hell was her name again? Shelly.
Shelly. Shelly is Eustace's best friend. That's a hint for somebody on our channel. Shelly and Eustace are best friends. But this is our first dupe out of these blind packs that we've been doing.
Oh. And this is it for today's video. Who's your favorite?
Melly.
Melly, yeah. By the way, her name is Melly, not whatever the hell I said. Yeah, I think Melly's my favorite. Close second to Sprinkle Panda.
Yeah, I'm totally digging this.
Yep. So comment below what's your guys' favorite. And until next time. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all had fun getting nerdy with me. Until next time, have fun, stay nerdy.